Okay, so we have a bearish pattern, initial consolidation here, then retest of the 900s and yesterday's initial balance, equilibrium line of initial balance and pivot point, and then straight down selling. Let's see if this one will continue down to 800s, and let's see if I'll try to buy it here for a potential reversal. So I sorted here against 50s, both targets fill. Let's see if the third target will fill. At the moment looks like very strong downside. Let's see it here at 800s, and probably this can go even lower. So let's see how this will play out. So I added two shorts here. Let's scale out some. Let's see if this now can go down to 900, 800s or even lower. Bad Chinese data. Okay, so price actually held support here at 50s, then spiked up and broke out aggressively 900 due to draggy comments and euro weakness. Let's see if this now can go up to 11,000, and this could be a very good short. Let's see how this will play out. So price now retested this 50s level and found resistance. Let's see if this now will lead the index down to 900s and then possible for a lower price. Let's see how this will play out first. Okay, so let's see how this optimism will fade, if this is gonna lead the index price down where it began. Initially, let's see how it will behave at these levels, 900 pivot point and days open price, then we'll judge how this will go. Okay, as I was explaining earlier, let's see this move, if this 50s right here will hold. Now almost complete reversal. Let's take some of this very good sort of.
Order pending. Order pending. Order filled. Order cancelled.
Let's leave the rest for the rest of the day to see how this will develop. If this can go down to 900s or even lower, let's see how this will play out. But at the moment it's very good fade. So because price initially sold off, then rallied due to Draghi's speech optimism, and then he basically didn't say anything new. It was just a reiteration of previous comments. So price, because of this, just retraced. Let's see it now if it's gonna retest and hold resistance here and then go even lower. I still got 5 lots short. So let's see how this will play out and if it will go down to 800s. But at the moment it was very good opportunity to fade this move because it's been created by nothing really, by just optimism. So the optimism fades fast. Okay, so price consolidated below days open price, below pivot point and below 900s and below equilibrium line. Let's see now if this resistance consolidation can break to the downside and then price lead to the lower price of the day's range. Otherwise it will just broke up and retest 60s level. So price just broke down this tight consolidation below equilibrium line. This could be a very good short if you haven't already shorted the price earlier up here or building a short during this out of nothing optimism. I will say this again. This was created by an optimism that Draghi will say something new, about quantitative easing and etc. But this, he doesn't really said anything. He didn't say anything new, so this one got sold off immediately. So we are at almost half the move from the initial sell of here at this price. So let's see if this can go further down and break down 10,800 and initial balance low. But this could probably take the whole day if this happens. So I scaled out most of the position. I still have 3 lots short. So let's see, I'm willing to take them like this. So let's see how this will play out. So let's put this into perspective on the daily chart. Today, as I said in yesterday's video, we had the initial sell-off, then rally. Yesterday we have an initial rally, then sell-off, the opposite from the day before. And today we had an optimism due to Draghi, and now price trades below its opening price. So it kind of failed here at last week's high. So if price just trades below this level here, then it means it will go further downside. So let's see how this will play out. Okay, so I closed all the shorts. Now I open a long for the 900s breakout. Let's see if this will lead the index up to initial balance high or even higher. Again, like yesterday, what I said, you need to trade what you see, not what you think. So a complete stuck mindset, like okay, this is gonna go down forever or this is gonna go up forever, this doesn't work. So let's see now if this long will play out well. Okay, so I reversed the position here against 900s now, didn't hold above or breakout. Let's see if this resistance here will continue to the downside, otherwise support will hold here and then will rally back up. In this case I will just bite it up. Okay, so that short worked very well. As soon as I shorted almost immediately sold off. Let's see now if this is a trade to hold. Let's see how price will behave here at initial balance low and at support 1 and at 800s. If this break to the downside, then we'll probably retest and hold resistance here, then we'll go further down. So let's see how this will play out. So price just consolidating sideways, found perfectly resistance here at the equilibrium line. This could be a very good short. Then found support, held support here once again at 50s level. Then spiked back up, but now let's focus on the bigger picture and see like yesterday what I said, the more time price spends below these two blue levels here and not above, the more likely it will go from this side, which in today's case is the downside, but then needs to be judged here at 800. So let's see how this play out. I still hold this short from 95, let's say, and hopefully I will try to buy it back here at below 800s. Okay, so price sold off down to 800s. I closed the shorts and I open a long position against 800s. Let's see now if this is going to hold at least until 50s or even higher during the US market. I split my targets like this, so I have a very optimistic third target, but I will see how this will trade. Okay, so now price sold off straight down from US Open. Let's see how this will play out. Again, as I was saying earlier in this video, the more time price spends below these two lines, the more likely, the higher the probability it will go to the downside. Now let's see if it's a second leg lower here at 700s. I shorted here against 70s. Let's see against this high if price will go down to 700s, then we'll act accordingly. Okay, so I added to the shorts here, straight move to the downside, scaling down. Let's see how this 700s will play out. This 727 is very important level. It's the low of the day of Tuesday low. Let's see how price will behave here. So if we put this into perspective here, this is what happened. Price yesterday fell here at 11,000. Today rallied initially back up but then sold off. Let's see how this will play out. Very important support area here at 700s, 85, 685s. So let's see if price will go down there and then bounce back up or sold off below. Flat now. This support could be very good long opportunity for a retest here at 800. I will look if I will short it here for a possible move to the downside. So let's see how this will play out. Okay, I shorted here against the US cash open price. Let's see if now this will lead to more downside. Okay, that short worked very well. Resistance here at US open price, then sold off down for a previous low retest. Now let's see this if could be sustained, otherwise we'll go further down. Very important level for the daily is the 13,690 level and 650 level, because if you see here it was very good support and then a massive rally happened. So let's see how this will play out at these levels. If can hold, then rally can be expected, otherwise it will just collapse back down. Okay, so key time here, I shorted against 790s. Let's see, this level here, initial balance low, worked very well as a resistance. Support 1 became resistance at the moment, and let's see now if this resistance at 800s will prove to be a very good short opportunity. So that's why I sold here, but US cash open price needs to break to the downside aggressively. So let's see how this will play out. Okay, so previous short didn't hold. I saw a pattern here which I have archived, 90s 80s pattern. Price held support here at 80s, retested it. Now let's see if it's gonna go back up to days high, days open price and 10,088, 80. So let's see how this will play out. I'm currently long for the momentum play against 800s. Many different trades here, many different decisions, but again you need to trade what you see and not what you think is gonna happen. So breakout as expected here. Again, you need to be quick. The strategy I use to work is very effective. Quick decisions, measured moves. So let's hope for the best. If this price spike could go up, initial resistance at 50s and then final target at 880s. Let's see it in correlation with SPY as well. SPY is now lagging DAX. So let's see how this will play. Okay, so I close the long and open and short position here against 50s. Let's see now if this will go to the downside for a retest of 820s or even 800s. Okay, so the short goal at the moment, SPY correlation and resistance at 207 is the retest, then faked it out, then sold off. Let's see if this now can go down to my target, and this will probably be the last trade of the day. Price straight down, I just close it manually. Let's see now if it's gonna go down to 800 or if this is gonna reverse back up. Okay, so the previous short could be held until, let's say, 800, which I didn't. Now straight down selling. Let's see how this will play out now. So that's it for today. If you like what you see and you like my explanation, you can subscribe to YouTube channel and share to other people if you like, and ask for any questions if you don't mind, if you have anything you like to question. And thanks for watching.